My dear friends, today, I speak to you not just as a leader, but as a fellow Indian who loves this country with all his heart. I speak to you with the voice of millions who want to see India free, strong, and proud. We have been under British rule for a long time. They have taken our freedom, our money, and our pride. They have told us we are not good enough. But I am here to tell you that they are wrong. We are strong. We are brave. We are smart. And most of all, we are free people in our hearts. Freedom is not just about removing the British from India. Freedom means the power to live with dignity, to speak your mind, to walk with your head held high. Freedom means having the right to make your own future. Let me tell you this clearly, freedom is not given, it is taken. We must fight for it. We must be ready to give everything for it. Even our lives. You may ask, why should we risk our lives? Can't we wait? Won't the British leave one day? My answer is simple. Why should we wait when we have the power to act now? Why should we accept slavery when we deserve freedom? Our ancestors fought many battles. From the 1857 uprising to the brave sacrifices of Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, and many others, our soil is rich with the blood of heroes. But we must do more. We must unite. We must stand together as one nation, one people, one goal, complete and total freedom. I know that the path of freedom is not easy. There will be pain. There will be fear. There will be loss. But remember, nothing great was ever achieved without struggle. If we want a free India, we must be ready to sacrifice everything. Give me blood, and I will give you freedom. These are not just words. This is a call from my heart to yours. This is a promise. If we give all we have, our strength, our courage, our love, we will see the day when our flag flies high. Free from the chains of foreign rule. I formed the Indian National Army, INA, not just to fight with guns, but to wake up the spirit of India. Our soldiers did not come from one state or one religion, they came from everywhere, with one dream, a free India. This is the India we must build, united, fearless, and independent. Let us not think about caste, language, or religion. Let us only think of one thing, Bharat Mata, Mother India. She does not ask what your religion is. She only asks, will you fight for me? Will you die for me? Will you live for me? To the young people of India, I say this, you are the future of our nation. You have energy, passion, and dreams. Use them for the good of our country. Do not waste your time in fear or doubt. Believe in yourself. Believe in India. To the women of India, I say, you are strong, brave, and full of love. You are the heart of this nation. Join us in this fight. Raise your voice. Raise your children to be free, honest, and proud Indians. To the farmers and workers, I say, you build this nation with your hands. You feed us. You make things. You serve us. Without you, we are nothing. You too deserve a free life, a life of respect and happiness. To every Indian, I say, freedom is your birthright. Don't let anyone take it away. We may be poor in money, but we are rich in spirit. We may not have weapons, but we have courage. We may not have support from the world, but we have each other. Let us rise together. Let us throw away the fear. Let us walk forward even if the road is dark. Let our voices be louder than their guns. Let our hope be stronger than their hate. The time has come. The hour is now. Stand up, my fellow Indians. Stand up for truth. Stand up for justice. Stand up for India. Let us fight, not for revenge, but for peace. Let us fight, not with anger, but with courage. Let us fight, not because we hate the British, but because we love our country too much to see it suffer. Even if I die, my dream will live on. My voice will not stop. Because it is not just my voice, it is the voice of every Indian who dreams of freedom. So I leave you with this. Forget not that the greatest crime is to compromise with injustice and wrong. Remember the eternal law, you must give if you want to get. Now go forward, with fire in your heart and love for the motherland in your soul. Jai Hind.